The W&S series skid-mounted all and gas-fired steam boiler adopts an integrated design, with all auxiliary equipment integrated on a skid, resulting in a compact structure and a rational layout, effectively reducing the footprint. This boiler has a thermal capacity ranging from 1 to 4 tons per hour and operates at a pressure of 1 to 1.6 megapascals. It can use gas fuels like natural gas, coke oven gas, biogas, as well as liquid fuels such as diesel, heavy oil, light oil, and residual oil, making it widely applicable in industries such as chemical, food, tobacco, textile, building materials, hospitals, and heating. ZOZEN Boiler has cooperated with the food industry. The food company wants to introduce an efficient and reliable steam boiler, ensuring the smooth operation of the production line and stable product quality. After research and comparison, the food industry has chosen ZOZEN Boiler to provide them with a 2-ton gas-fired skid-mounted steam boiler. What are the features of this boiler? Firstly, this boiler is installation-free. Users only need to connect water, electricity, and gas, and it can be completed within a day, quickly ready for use. Secondly, this boiler has a rational structure, occupying a minimal footprint and making it easy to dismantle and adjust its position.